Check it, check it, check it. So I got the shop a little straightened up. You know, we got the planer and stuff over here. I got my air compressor right here. This is where I normally keep like automobile stuff, window cleaner, extra fluids and stuff like that, Rain-X, you know, a whole bunch of stuff for just cleaning cars and other miscellaneous things and stuff as well too. Then I got my workstation over here, the miter station and everything like that. It is connected to the Dust Right Cyclone. Just some miscellaneous stuff. Battery holders right here. Got my little wall set up. I built this workstation, so I got safety glasses in here. Put some shelving in here. I have my Boss Dog glue right there. Some sanders. Tape and stuff goes right here. Miter saw, of course, drill press, chargers. Over here is where I keep a lot of my hand power tools and stuff like that. And extra wood. We got the, router table, refrigerator. Gotta make sure that joint closed. This is my shelving that I just built a few weeks ago. Then I got my workbench, a whole bunch of extra scrap pieces of wood that I'm going to be building a whole bunch of little miscellaneous things and stuff with. I got my cabinet. I'm going to start reorganizing this stuff and everything. This has like scissors, blades, all of my brad nails and pin nails and stuff in there. Just a whole bunch of little miscellaneous stuff. On the end of the table, I have my paper so I can roll this out if I'm painting or and everything. I can roll that out. Got a whole bunch of little boxes right here where I have like a whole bunch of just random stuff in there. And I got some more tools up under here, sanders and stuff like that. And yeah, then over here, these are all on wheels. So I got my bandsaw, got my joiner, got my laser engraver. I got my cabinet where I keep all of my paints and stains and stuff over here. This cabinet doesn't really have anything in there yet. This is just stuff for the laser engraving. We have extra Yeti cups, some mess up cups, little wood things that we engrave and stuff over here. Whole bunch of mess up cups and stuff right here from the laser engraver. The little shop sink right here. And then over here, we have the restroom. This is the shop restroom. I did these paintings right here. We got the DMX, we got the Outcast. We got the floating sink because I wanted people to see how nice the floor and everything is. The toilet, it is stubbed out to put a shower, but who knows when I'm ever gonna put a shower in there. Watch out, Creed. We got the Creed's bed right here for him to lay down when he's in the shop, but he hates laying in it, so he just lays on the floor. Here goes a whole bunch of littles that I've built. Little plant stands, bird houses, little planters. These are the old slats from the planters that I redid outside, so I'm gonna take those and rebuild something with that. Then over here, got a little bit of history because we were in a Black History Parade last year. We got my great-granddad, my great-grandparents who immigrated from Dominica, my grandparents, my grandfather, my mom, my dad, my in-laws, me and my wife. Some more random wood art that I did right there, right there. I tried my hand at wood carving, so that's that right up there. Bird houses, you got the trap house, you know? Yeah, so that's a really quick tour of everything over here at Jackson Park. Oh, and before we get out of here, I love showing this. This little, it's got stuff in front of it, but this is how it all started. They bought me a miter saw back for my birthday in April 2020. And from that purchase of that saw, created Jackson Park Creations. Yep. Oh yeah, I do music too. Y'all look me up online, Jack Rip.